So it's finally the time for the big reveal, the dashcam which I was teasing about for the last week, and most of you were very excited and were already interested in purchasing this dashcam. Well, it really makes me happy to say that this dashcam is completely worth your money and you should definitely go ahead and buy this. I'm talking about the latest launch from 70mi, the 70mi A510. Yes, this is the big brother of the 70mi A500, a already well established dashcam in its price bracket, and in this upgrade you're going to get the Starvis 2 sensor under the price bracket of 15,000. Well, the good thing to note is that as similar to the A500, you're going to get two different variants, a front channel only variant which will come close to the price of 10,000 rupees, and a dual channel variant which will be priced less than 15,000 rupees. So there is no other dashcam with Starvis 2 sensor that can give you a 1944p resolution at a price of around 10,000 bucks for the front only variant, and there is no other dashcam which is going to give you a dual channel version under the 15,000 price bracket with the Starvis 2 sensor. So this makes this camera very unique and gives it a big upper hand over all the other dash cameras which come with only the previous gen sensors. So I have been testing out this camera extensively from the past week, and the video quality provided by this camera is really good, and even the rear camera sort of stands up to the kind of resolution and the frame rate it provides. So before we actually go ahead and purchase this dashcam, I want you guys to watch its detailed review video. The video is all set and ready, and you'll be able to watch it as soon as 70mi launches this dashcam officially in India. So as of today, it's not yet officially launched, but it's going to be launched in about a week or so. So hold on to your hats, because this is a big dash camera entry into the Indian market scenario, and there is probably no other competitor for this particular dashcam in that particular price bracket. So if you are always looking to buy a dual channel camera for your car and you were expecting to have it a Starvis 2 sensor because it's 2024, well, your wait is pretty much over. In a week or so, you're going to get your hands on the dream dash camera under the 15k budget, the 70mi A510. Not only does it have the Starvis 2 sensor, it's got GPS, it's got ADAS, it's got HDR recording, and you can also record the videos in 3 different resolutions from the front camera, the 1944p, the 1440p quad HD resolution with HDR, and also you can record in full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second, where generally all cameras record in 30 frames per second. Although the 1080p resolution does lack HDR, the 60 FPS range is a really cherry on top, because you are going to get one of the finest, one of the smoothest video quality footages you're going to get from any other dash camera at that price bracket. So I'm really excited to share the detailed review video with you guys, and I'm just waiting for 70mi to officially launch the product in India, and as soon as it does, you're going to get to watch the ultimate review video you're ever going to see, not only on YouTube, on the entire planet Earth. You're not going to see this kind of a review video anywhere else on YouTube. So in case you don't want to miss such an awesome video, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and smash the like button of this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, Insta and the WhatsApp page. The links to those are given in the description as well. You can always ask me any questions, any queries if you have in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. So write down below how many of you are excited to watch the review video of the 70mi A510 and probably go ahead and purchase it as well. This was a special presentation, a special teaser from TravelTech. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.